Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook email messages. This is a useful skill that helps you control how your text appears, making your emails more readable and professional looking. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once it launches, go ahead and log into your account so all your emails load properly. This gives you access to all the composition tools we'll be using in just a moment. Now that your email has loaded, we're going to access the tools needed to adjust line spacing. Look toward the top left part of your screen and you'll see a button labeled New Email. Click on it. This opens up the email composition screen where you can craft your message and control all the formatting options. Here's where we'll actually demonstrate the line spacing adjustment. On the email body, type in some sample text. This could be anything, just a few sentences, so you can see how the spacing changes work in real time. Once you've added your text, highlight it by clicking and dragging your cursor over the words. With the text highlighted, right-click on it. A context menu will pop up with several options available to you. From this context menu, look for and click on Paragraph. This opens a paragraph customization window, which is where all the magic happens for controlling your text layout. Within this window, you'll see a section labeled Spacing. This is exactly what we need. Click on the spacing drop-down menu and you'll be presented with different types of spacing options and adjustments you can apply to your text. Take a moment to browse through the listed spacing options. You'll see choices like single spacing, 1.5, double spacing, and sometimes even more specific custom options depending on your Outlook version. Simply select the line spacing type that best fits your needs. Maybe you want tighter spacing for a more compact look, or perhaps wider spacing for easier readability. The choice is entirely yours. Once you've selected your preferred line spacing, click on OK to retain the changes. Your text will immediately adjust to reflect the new spacing you've chosen, and you'll be able to see the difference right there in your email composition window. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the line spacing in your Outlook email message, giving you better control over how your content is presented. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.